Picture this. It's 3:17 in the morning. You're staring at the ceiling, and your brain is running through every financial disaster that could happen tomorrow. Your car breaks down, your laptop dies, your rent goes up, your boss sends that dreaded "we need to talk" message, and suddenly your heart is racing. But what if I told you there's a single number that can eliminate most of that stress? It's not $1 million, it's not even $100,000. It's just $10,000. And once you cross it, something strange happens. The problem: most people believe financial freedom starts when you're rich, but the truth is, the biggest shift in your financial life happens way earlier. Because right now, most people live in what I call financial survival mode. Every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. A $600 car repair feels like the end of the world. A broken phone ruins the entire month. Not because the problem is huge, but because the margin for error is zero. And living like this slowly drains your energy. The turning point story. Now imagine a different scenario. Your car breaks down. The mechanic says it's going to be $1,200. 2 years ago, this would have caused panic. But today, you pull out your phone, transfer the money, and move on with your life. No stress, no credit card debt, no sleepless nights. What changed? You didn't become rich. You just crossed $10,000 in savings. Why $10,000 is so powerful? This number is powerful for 3 reasons. 1, it creates a financial buffer. Most emergencies cost between $500 and $3,000. With $10K saved, those problems stop being disasters. They become inconveniences, and that psychological shift is massive. 2, it changes your confidence. Something interesting happens when you know you have money in the bank. You stop tolerating bad situations. You negotiate salaries. You leave toxic jobs. You make better decisions because you're no longer operating from fear. You're operating from options. 3, it proves you can build wealth. Saving your first $10K isn't about the money. It's about the identity shift. You stop seeing yourself as someone who spends money and start seeing yourself as someone who builds it. And once that identity changes, everything else gets easier. The hard truth. But here's the part nobody talks about. The first $10,000 is the hardest money you will ever save. Because at the beginning, your income is lower, your habits aren't built yet, your discipline is still developing. But once you reach it, the game changes. Your confidence grows, your habits strengthen, and your money starts working for you. How to reach your first 10K faster. If you want to reach this milestone quicker, focus on 3 simple things. 1, automate your savings. Money you never see is money you never spend. 2, cut one major expense: housing, cars, or food delivery. Fixing just one can save thousands. 3, increase income slightly. Side hustles, freelancing, or negotiating your salary. Even an extra $200 per month adds up fast. The real reward. But the most valuable thing about saving $10,000 isn't the money. It's the person you become while saving it. Someone more patient, more disciplined, more intentional with their life. And that version of you is capable of building far more than $10,000. Closing message. So if you're early in your financial journey, don't obsess over becoming a millionaire. Focus on your first 10K. Because once you reach it, you're no longer just surviving financially. You've started building freedom.